The money sitting in your bank account right now is quietly being stolen every single second, and you are letting it happen because you think avoiding the stock market makes you a better Muslim. Inflation is slaughtering your purchasing power, while the financial elite are multiplying their wealth, using systems you were told are off limits. You have been lied to. You do not have to choose between compromising your faith and staying poor. There is a hidden architectural blueprint to building a $1 million halal portfolio from scratch, and it takes exactly 3 minutes to understand the math. If you click away, you are accepting financial mediocrity. Here is the raw truth the system hides from you. Keeping cash is financial suicide. $100,000 in a standard checking account loses half its value in 10 years due to stealth inflation. The elites do not hold cash, they hold assets. But as a Muslim in America, the conventional advice is a trap, wired with Riba. You cannot touch standard bonds, you cannot touch conventional banking stocks, you cannot touch high-yield savings accounts. So what do? You weaponize halal equities. You target companies with clean balance sheets, high free cash flow, and monopolistic market dominance. We are talking about aggressive growth tech infrastructure and physical commodities. The secret is not just buying stocks. It is aggressive automated dollar cost averaging into Sharia-compliant index funds while reinvesting every single dividend. This creates a compounding machine that doubles your net worth every 7 years without a single drop of haram income. But the real game is screening out the poison. One hidden interest bearing debt in a company and your entire portfolio is compromised. You cannot read a 10K report every morning. The elites use institutional grade scanners. You use Musaffo. This is not just an app. It is your financial radar system. Musaffo strips away the noise and surgically dissects the global stock market. It exposes the hidden debt, the impermissible revenue streams, and the toxic assets inside any company before you risk your capital. It does the heavy lifting, so you can build your $1 million halal empire with absolute mathematical precision and zero spiritual compromise. Stop letting inflation rob your family. Download Musaffo right now using the link below and scan your first stock. Build the empire.